As Chinese officials pledged to share any future COVID-19 vaccines globally, Republican Senator Rick Scott has today claimed that Beijing is trying to hinder U.S. treatment efforts, warning, they have decided to be an adversary. Chinese government ministers said this weekend they are willing to boost international cooperation in the search for a potential novel coronavirus vaccine, which is believed to be the most effective way to rid the world of the infectious respiratory illness. In a media conference today, the director of China's Ministry of Science and Technology, Wang Zhigang, doubled down on the stance that any vaccine China finds will become a global public good, but said worldwide cooperation will be needed. The rigor of vaccine development has been compared by some scientists to a dance involving precise steps and rehearsals, Wang said, Reuters reported. Get updates on the coronavirus pandemic and more news on the Microsoft News app. But Republican Senator Rick Scott said today during an interview on the BBC's Andrew Marr show that the U.S. has evidence that China is attempting to disrupt the creation of a COVID-19 vaccine by rival countries, including the U.S. and the UK. We have got to get this vaccine done. Unfortunately, we have evidence that Chinese state media today criticized America's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic, as the U.S. death toll spirals to more than 110,000. Reporting on a new white paper released by Beijing that praised China's response to the infectious disease, the Global Times, a mouthpiece of the Chinese Communist Party, said the report offered a rebuttal foreign media and U.S. politicians, including Donald Trump, who spread reckless accusations about a coronavirus cover-up. The Chinese state media outlet reported that 5 COVID-19 vaccines are now believed to have started clinical trials in the country. U.S. trials are also taking place. According to Johns Hopkins University, China has recorded at least 84,186 cases of the disease, and 4,638 deaths. In April, The Guardian reported that one study by Hong Kong researchers suggested infection rates could be 4 times the official figures. COVID-19 statistics China shared with the world have been met with skepticism by some governments, and conspiracy theories mounted the outbreak was somehow linked to a laboratory in Wuhan, the city where the virus is believed to have surfaced. China, which has denied accusations of a cover-up, was found to have muzzled at least one medical expert who attempted to warn colleagues about a suspected outbreak. Dr. Li Wenlang, one early whistleblower, later died after contracting COVID-19. After spreading globally, now at close to 7 million cases, the U.S. has now become the worst affected nation in the world, with at least 1.9 million infections and over 119,000 deaths. More than 750,000 people are believed to have recovered in the U.S. At a global scale, the death toll has now topped 400,000.